Yeah.
Good morning. How's it going?
It's good. What's up?
We're talking about Adobe XD.
So what's the use case for the Adobe XD?
Customer retention, I guess. Like, it lets us build, like, I don't know, like digital interfaces super fast. So web page, applications, like, I don't know, kiosk screen. It can be anything really. That's important because we can like execute on ideas quickly, and it has some really cool integrated like prototyping. So I can like link pages together, link screens together, so it becomes a little more interactive, which is great for like testing and visualizing to a client like what the hell this is going to be. When you put it in front of them and they're like, you can actually like touch and use it, then they're like, wow, okay, I got this, I get it.
I think that having a single day to plan this, it's going well so far, but we're only 6 minutes in. We haven't actually done anything yet. I'm gonna be referencing this, and you're gonna be referencing this, and we're just going to cross-reference to make sure that we actually get everything.
Okay.
But I don't have a clue what I'm doing when it comes to audio stuff, and I'm not gonna put this in the videos. Okay, you know what you're gonna say?
No.
Oh. We've switched locations like 3 times already before 6 a.m. and now we're like 20 minutes behind, but that's okay. We'll get going pretty quick.
That is the 4th time I've dropped my phone in like a week.
I'm just taking off the handle right now so we can actually fit this thing on the gimbal. Okay, can we review the scene?
Checks your phone, puts it back in your pocket. Some quick cuts of surrounding environment, trees, sprinklers, animals. So, do you want to do this piece?
Everybody else is here. Perfect. Good morning.
Oh, yeah, I'm here.
See some of you I can see from Brandon to Heather.
Perfect. All right. I think everyone will have to huddle together. First, I want to take the time to welcome Derek to the team. He's just started with us. He interviewed yesterday. You want to say something about yourself?
If you want to know any cool facts about submarines, hit me up.
Perfect. Thanks.
Cut. All right, reset, clothing change.
Can I cross?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The ones that you've already crossed off, also cross off on that.
Yeah.
It just adds like a layer of redundancy to make sure that we're actually getting everything.
Yeah.
Sweet, thank you. Oh, something that I kind of realized was that all of like the apertures are going to be fairly different just because of like the constantly changing light, which initially I was kind of concerned about because the look isn't going to be quite the same. But I think I realized that it kind of suits the story anyways, that if we get like progressively shallower in depth of field by adding like an ND filter through these next shots, which are going to be like more frantic anyways, then we might add something to the film story-wise. So hopefully it works out.
Blow something up.
Yes.
I think you should have the flame gun again. Yes, set things on fire. That then explode.
Okay.
It's my nightmare. I'm a big Godzilla fan. You should do like some tilt shifting with the city of Kelowna and Cooper like walking over the city and just destroying everything.
We could do interesting stop motion with Dragon Frame.
I love the idea of actually being able to recreate like a scene from a movie, something that's like iconic, that either kind of like a creative take on it or marketing take on it. Whenever you think about like
American Psycho.
American Psycho, like the business card scene. That's always been one of those like, how neat would it be to redo something like that?
Risky business. The Tom Cruise slide in the socks. The direction. Yeah.
Our resident Tom Cruise, Mitch, is gonna do it. At one point, we're watching Top Gun, and Tina's like,
Is this a height joke?
no, it isn't at all. It's fully like, Tina's like, he looks like Mitch.
You could also do like movie trailers and whatnot, or like the fake sequel sort of thing, but with like, you know, the dogs or something like that, right?
To the fact of like picking a pivotal moment in a movie where it's like, well, what if the character
didn't die.
I kind of like the idea of like weird office Olympic events, but also a completely different idea, over dramatizing everyday events that happen in the office, like the servers are down, and then like the whole office goes into a panic and we're like hacking the matrix.
A day in the life of an entrepreneur, but instead of a human entrepreneur, it's Cooper. And then we dub it over, maybe with Will's voice, and have me super professional and, I don't know, playing off of that, but being it's a dog.
Hi, puppy. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so that's a wrap on this road segment for now. We are going to come back here later though. Oh my god, yeah, we're gonna do so many outfit changes today.
Yeah.
Fairly quickly get back to Mary's house and start shooting that as soon as possible.
I still check the time and everything. I just
like you look at the time, but almost as if you know what the time is going to be before you see it. Like it has to feel like you know that you don't have that much time as you wake up. Anna's just getting into her second outfit right now, and then yeah, we have 2 more shots that we need to get. So hopefully we get them done in 15. Then I think that'll be good, all things considering, this morning.
My job on set is a very important one. I'm holding the door presently. So, without that, wouldn't this really come together?
Basically, it's going to be like a lot of like really macro shots, close-ups you typing on the computer, just like jump cutty style, like showing the passage of time over the course of the day. And so the first one's obviously going to be the full day. The second one, according to the script, you're going to leave halfway through the day. And so I didn't think about that. Oops. How do we show that she's leaving midday?
Thoughts?
Is there like a fake clock app? There's got to be something like that.
There, yeah. Or we can just change the time zone on your phone.
Yeah. General, maybe.
What was the text message, Seeker?
Daytime.
It was from my group chat with my friends from school called Being Fat and Stupid.
You know what's really annoying? Those words that are literally spelled the same, but they mean different things.
Homonyms?
Yeah, homonyms.
Homonyms. Hello, my name is Cooper, and I'm a copywriter. Today we're going to be talking about homonyms. You know, those stupid words that sound the same but have completely different meanings. One of the more egregious examples of a homonym is a while. If I say I'm going to be somewhere in a little bit, do I say I'll be there in a while, 1 word, or I'll be there in a while, 2 words? Who the f knows? Yeah? Okay.
We're at this location for the second time today, filming pretty much the exact mirror shot of what we got this morning.
Hi. If I say I'm going to be somewhere in a little bit, do I say I'll be there in a while, 1 word?
Nuts, donuts, 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 donuts.
Okay, I think that is a wrap on today, which is pretty crazy. It's been 16
hours.
Which is pretty good. We've been pretty much working on this the entire day, and yeah, we're wrapping. It's 8:20 p.m. I'll be editing this and another video for the next couple days, and hopefully it turns out, because as of right now, I have no idea what it's gonna look like. Like, I have absolutely no idea what it's gonna look like. Are you okay?
Oh my god! Oh my god, that's so funny.
I'm sorry I'm filming this, but like...